Good morning, dear students. Let's start that problem. A 220 volt input is supplied to a transformer. The output circuit draw a current 2 ampere at 440 volt. If the efficiency of the transformer is 80%, the current drawn by primary winding of the transformer is. Options are 3.6 ampere, 2.8 ampere, 2.5 ampere and 5 ampere. They are asking what is the value of current which is being drawn by the primary. Okay, see, simple. One term is there which is your efficiency. Efficiency is 180% they have given. Transformer efficiency is 80%. ओके बेसिकली ट्रांसफार्मर के बारे में क्लास में डिस्कस किया जाएगा बहुत डिटेल से, ठीक है। तो ट्रांसफार्मर बेसिकली थोड़ा सा आइडिया दे देता हूँ. इट्स नॉट एन इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइस, ओके, इट्स नॉट एन इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन. बेसिकली द डिवाइस विच इज सेड टू बी इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन विच विल बी कैपेबल ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग दैट कंटिन्यूअस इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी to mechanical energy. Continuous energy conversion, not mechanical, continuous energy conversion is possible, so that we can say that that device is termed as machine. But transformer is just a device which is converting the electrical energy from one voltage level to different voltage level. Okay, we will study that things in your classes, step down transformer, step up transformer. But one term is there like your efficiency. So I would like to give some idea and some formula regarding that efficiency, so that we can solve that problem, because the efficiency is mentioned 80%. So see, efficiency is equal to output by input. Okay, this is the formula, we have to use that. Okay, so first of all we would like to mention what are the data they have given. Let's see, they have given that primary voltage is what? Vp. Primary voltage they have given 220 volt, and they have given that Vs, the secondary voltage, means output voltage, Vs they have given 440 somewhere, 440 they have given 440, and they have given that current, output current means what? Secondary current they have given, Is is equal to 80% they have given, sorry, Is is equal to 2 ampere they have given. Now efficiency they have given 80%. 80% they have given efficiency, and they are asking what is the value of your primary current Ip, they are asking. Okay, so simply we know that efficiency is equal to output by input. Okay, so we can apply that formula, efficiency is equal to output by input of electrical transformer. Okay, see, efficiency is equal to output power. This is output power, you can write that output power, input power, ठीक है, output power to your input power, output power to your input power. And you can write that output power which is your secondary Vs into Ys, Vs into Ys upon input power Vp into Ip, where Vp is your primary voltage and Ip is your primary current. Okay, Ip is your primary current, means you can write that Vp into Ip. You can see that the question is asking the current drawn by the primary winding of the transformer, means it is asking your primary current. You know, one equation is there, this value you know, this value you know, this value you know, this value you know. One equation, one unknown, it's a simple equation, simple question is there. Okay, you can simply calculate that Ip is equal to what? When you bring that Ip over here, you will get Vs into Ys divided by efficiency into Vp. Vs they have given 440 and Is they have given 2 ampere. Efficiency they have given 80%. you can write 80 by 100, and Vp they have given I think 220 volt, 220 volt. So further you can write 440 into your 2 ampere into 100 will go above upon 80 into 220, 80 into 220. When you solve, you will get some value. That value will be your 5 ampere, I think 5 ampere. After solving that, you will get that 5 ampere. Option D will be the correct answer. When you solve that, you will get 5 ampere. Okay. Simply, what you can do, this cancel, this 2's. Okay. Now this got cancelled, now this got cancelled. So what happened? 20 by 4, 20 by 4, that will result into 5 ampere. Okay, this is a simple question. What they have mentioned, they have given your primary voltage, secondary voltage, secondary current and efficiency they have given, and they have asked you that primary current. You can simply apply that efficiency formula. Efficiency is equal to output by input. Okay, so here is one extra point I would like to give. If in any transformer, if someone says you there is 100% loss, if someone say, so what would be the efficiency will be? If someone asks if there is 100% loss in a transformer, many students will say that 0%. No, that efficiency will be still 50%. How? Let's see. Efficiency will be still 50%. How? Let's see. This, I think this is clear, very much clear. Efficiency output by input, Vs into Is, Vp into Ip. 440 to 80 by 100, 220, that will go up. So 20 by 4, that is your 5 ampere. So I am giving just idea of that. If someone say that there is 100% loss in efficiency, 100% loss in a transformer, what would be the efficiency of the transformer? So let me give you an idea about that. Okay. Let's see, efficiency is equal to output by input. When you ask people, they will say that efficiency loss is 100%, efficiency will be 0, but it's not like that. See how? Output upon input, you can write input, output plus losses. You can write that input, output plus losses. Output by, what is output? Output plus loss. Fine. For the easiness of calculation, I am writing that 100% as 1, as rating as 1, I am assuming that. Okay, so let's see, this is 1 rated, 1 plus 1, loss is 100%, I have taken that 1. So 1 by 2, that will be 0.5, that will still 50% efficiency will be there. If there is 100% loss in a transformer, there is at least 50% efficiency will be still there. Okay, so this is your transformer problem. Other problem we will discuss. That too belongs to transformer only. This question they are asking frequently. So my sincere suggestion, please remember those equations, Vp upon Ip, Vs upon Is. Okay. See, next question. A transformer is used to light 100 watt. Let me write that question. Is used to light 100 watt and 110 volt lamp, volt lamp, volt lamp from a 220 volt means from a 220 volt lamp. Okay, 220 volt means now if the main current is 0.5 ampere, if the main current is 0.5 ampere, 0.5 ampere, the efficiency of transformer, is approximately option A 50%, option B 90%, option C 10%, option D 30%. Simple. If you have attended my class, you can simply tick that answer. Options are framed in such a way that you can tick that answer. Okay. See, the student who identified that 0.5, this one, whether that is primary or secondary, that question will be finished at the time. Simple. They are asking the efficiency. Efficiency means what? Output by input. Okay. When you apply that formula, you will get the result. Similar question is there. 43 they are asking. The value of efficiency they are asking. Power they have given 100 watt. You can see that this is a 100 watt and 110 volt lamp. Okay. Means what? They have given here this power Vp they have given. So let me write the data which they have given. Given value is your watt. P is equal to 100 watt. Ip is equal to 0.5 ampere. Vp is equal to 200 volt. They are asking the efficiency. This P is nothing but it's your output. It's output. Means Vs into Is, you can say that it's your output. So your input you can calculate because Vp is mentioned, Ip is mentioned. Okay. Output is given, input you can calculate with the help of Vp and Ip. So you can simply apply the efficiency formula which is output by input. Okay. So this is your efficiency formula. Output power upon input power. So output power 100 watt. You can multiply this by 100. Okay, efficiency in previous problem you can also multiply with the 100. Okay, previous problem you can also multiply with the 100. By mistake I have written that 100 was not mentioned over there. You can multiply that. Efficiency will be output by input into 100. Okay. So output is your 100 upon input is your 200 into 0.5. 0.5 into what? 100. After solving, you will be getting that value, which is your 90%. You can simply see that option C and option D, there is no use of that option C and option D. That much of cost a person will spend to manufacture a transformer to get this much of efficiency, 10%. This option is meaningless, I think. Okay, lakhs of rupees they are investing to for a transformer to get the electrical energy at the efficiency of 10%. It's not possible. The ideal efficiency is more than 90% are acceptable. Okay, next question. A primary and secondary coil. The question is, the primary and secondary coil of a transformer having 50 and 1500 turns transformer. Okay, a primary and secondary coil of the transformer have 50 and 1500 turns respectively. If the magnetic flux phi linked with the primary coil is given by phi is equal to phi naught plus 4t, where phi is the phi in Weber, t in second, and phi naught is a constant, the output voltage they are asking, because phi they have given, they are asking what? Output voltage. Okay, so we know that to get the output voltage, we know d phi upon dt, and phi they have given. Let's say ns, your secondary turns is 1500 they have given, and your magnetic flux linked with the primary, that phi is given as phi naught plus 4t they have given. Okay, so voltage across primary, if I want to get voltage across primary, if I want to get that Vp is equal to d phi upon dt, d phi upon dt. So phi they have given phi naught plus 4t, means d upon dt. So this is your phi naught plus 4t. When you differentiate, you will get 4. Now, as we know that a very famous equation in transformer, your secondary voltage upon primary voltage is equal to secondary number of turns upon primary number of turns. Okay, so they are asking the secondary voltage. From here we can calculate the secondary voltage, simple. Okay, ns by np and vp we have calculated, which is 4. They are asking the secondary voltage, means what? You can simply apply that Vs is equal to ns by np into your Vp, and Vp you have calculated from where? Because this phi is linking with that primary. Okay, so Vp is equal to d phi upon dt will give you what? That 4. That 4 when you put over here, and they have given ns is equal to 1500, I think, yes, 1500, and np they have mentioned 50. Yep, 50. np they have mentioned 50. So mark over here 50 into what? 4. When you calculate, you will get that value 120 volt. After calculating this, you will get this. Okay, 5 3 0 30 into 4, 120 volt will be the answer. Okay, this is how we can simply calculate that Vs if that phi is given by calculating that your Vp. Okay, one question is, small question is there, we have time, we can solve that question. Eddy current are produced when option A metal is kept in varying magnetic field, option B a metal is kept in steady magnetic field, option C a circular coil is placed in a magnetic field, option D through a circular coil current is passed. So a metal is kept varying in magnetic field will be the answer. The eddy current will be produced when a metal is kept in the varying magnetic field. These things has been discussed in the class, so I request you to all go through that problem. Okay, after this topic we will be dealing your that RLC circuit. Okay, so thank you so much. We'll continue that video in next